Welcome to our tutorial on how to add auto captions in CapCut. 1. Open the home screen of the CapCut app and create a new project. 2. Import the video you want to edit into the project. Three. Find the text button in the bottom menu bar. 4. Choose the Auto Captions option. 5. Choose the sound options from the pop-up dialog box. There are 3 options. Choose Original Sound if the video's narrator is in the video. Choose Voiceover if the video includes a pre-recorded voiceover accompanying video content. Choose Both if the video combines the previous 2. 6. Select the language of the video. 7. Tap Start and wait for the app to process the captions. You have learned how to add auto captions in CapCut. Thank you for watching our guide.